This is day 41 of the federal government shutdown, but there was a big breakthrough last night as the U.S. Senate approved an initial step that could end the impasse later this week. Here's a live look over Capitol Hill. Bradley Blackburn reports on what came out of the rare weekend session that led to an agreement.
The motion upon reconsideration is agreed to.
The Senate approved a first step to push through legislation that could end the longest government shutdown in U.S. history after a group of mostly moderate Democrats made a deal with Republicans. The Senate and House still need to approve the full measure.
All of us, Republicans and Democrats, who support this bill know that the time to act is now.
Democrats had demanded any funding package include expiring health care subsidies. The deal grants them a vote next month on extending the tax credits.
This was the only deal on the table. It was our best chance to reopen the government.
The agreement comes after the Supreme Court issued an emergency order late Friday, halting the payout of full SNAP benefits. 42 million Americans used the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program to buy food. There were long lines over the weekend in Southern California at a distribution site for the LA Regional Food Bank, and major concerns for those in need in the Boston area.
At the end of the day, they are people who are seniors and veterans and families with children and working families that really are just looking for some answers.
Adding to the shutdown chaos, air travelers are coping with massive disruptions as the FAA ordered airlines to cut flights at the nation's busiest airports.
We need to figure it out as a country. Get it together.
A compromise was reached in this case, but it's not a done deal just yet.
Democrats had voted no 14 times to reopening the government until this deal was negotiated. The Senate will reconvene this morning at 8 a.m. our time to consider continuing the legislation to reopen the government. It must be then approved by the House. It would also reverse the layoffs of government employees during the shutdown.